sa baba.
Wow.
Yung...
Wow.
Oo. Masyado mataas ang utik.
Mataas.
Maraming kasayatan nga yan, maraming magdanan yan.
At ganyan. Wake up na si sir.
Walang ano yan, walang ibang daan na.
Meron doon sa likod. Doon sa likod.
Ay, may
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Sabi ko,
Okay, so on our way to Montreal. Guys, tandaan ko lang to. Wow. We're here in Montreal. Look at those guys. So many cars parking by
Turn
the
right.
road.
Then the destination is on your left.
Destination is on your left. Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round. Oh, ito, if you love mo, ano, ang itsura do Amsterdam. Di ba? May masulod-sulod ka. It's the cathedral where Celine Dion got married at.
doon ang entrance.
And timing because December 27 is
The
still
destination is on
today
your left.
in
Basilique
here,
Notre Dame de Montréal.
our 16th wedding anniversary. Basilica, where Celine Dion got married at. Look guys, oh, ganda. And in front, parang may plaza sila. Beautiful, parang nasa Europe. Kasi this is already a French part naman ang tino, French part of Canada.
Friends, ito po, ibig na ito eh.
Oo.
Montreal po, ibig.
Ayan, Notre Basilica Notre Dame. So nice.
Bukas pa din, 7 o'clock. Pero although
This is the basilica where Celine Dion got married at. Beautiful. Pero hindi ka pala pwedeng pumasok kung walang bayad.
Kailangan bayad.
Iba-ibang rates for adult, for students. Yung libre, yung 5 years old and below. Pero at least, honesty system. Kung sabihin mo kung ano. Oh, let's have a picture here.
Basa-basa. Oh. Nagpapa-
Came here last year, but it was at the end of August, and it was
Lighting of candles, it's $2 each or about 84 pesos. Yan. So, kung magmamask ka, you cannot enter until magmamask siya. So, if hindi pa mask schedule, you have to pay. Mommy's taking our photos. We're here, so beautiful, guys.
You met that traitor.
So beautiful, guys. Yeah, St. Joseph's Cathedral. It's a basilica. And it's so big, guys. It's so many floors. We're currently on the 4th floor. And this is the gateway to other floors. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at this cave. This beautiful church. This is the 8th floor here in the basilica. Where are we now?
At a hotel.
Where are we? Where in Canada?
Montreal.
Yes, and we're on our third. Is this our third hotel?
Yeah.
Yes, and beautiful. It looks like what?
NYC Hotel.
NYC Hotel. This is Sheraton, guys. And we'll show you later how our room looks like here. Lexom still wants to check out the shopping
I just want to see.
store. Yeah, okay. Let's go. As promised, papakita ko sa inyo yung hotel namin. This is our third hotel here in Canada. Ooh, Baby Alexander. Whoops. Sorry, medyo punong-puno na ang gamit namin. Siyempre, Pagpasok mo, may CR, pero naglilinis pa doon si Candice. So here is like the closet with some stuff, the usual. Yes. And there's Lexi. So it's around 6 in the morning here. And yeah, there are 2 big beds for Ate Alexa, Kuya Lextom, Ate Lexi, me, Mommy Candice, and Alexander. So may table kayo, may couch, and there's this view of Montreal. So sa Sheraton to, Montreal, and my kids said na parang nasa US daw. Parang nasa New York. That's what you said, Lexi and Kuya, no? So, and it has like this stuff. Sorry, punong-puno na ng gamit. Alam nyo naman, dala namin buong bahay kapag kasama mga kids. And there. That's it. Yes. Beautiful Sheraton Hotel. It's smaller compared to the other rooms. Pero, mas maganda. Ayan. So, there's the bathtub. Hindi ko na papakita yung ano kasi naglilinis pa si Candice. Okay. Here, morning na, last morning namin. Overnight na kami dire sa Montreal. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Wow. Diba? Parang sa sine lang to. Ngayon, experience na namin. Okay, so let's go. Ganda. Queen Elizabeth. Kuya, Snow? Okay, let's